I am not surprised in the person of Nyesom Wike, His Excellency, the present Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, because he's a man who speaks before he thinks. As a character, he's a man who can deny anything he says today, tomorrow. And he's a man who forgets his history so fast. I say so because I was so worried to hear him watch the television says that he resurrected Sir Dr. Odili. In fact, he said, I brought him to life. He's dead. That is not only an insult to the person of Odili, but an insult to Rivers people, and an insult to those of us who are his students and political children. I say so because Wike was not in any way our contemporary. He benefited, I repeat, he benefited from our initial struggle. We laid the foundation, called the structure, political structure in Rivers State, that others have been building. Wike as a person, and that is most important, cannot and will not survive where there is peace. And that is the problem we have in Rivers State today. If you note, since after the court judgment concerning the release of federal allocation to the state government, the state has been quiet and has been calm. There have been an increased political activities on the part of the governor, His Excellency Sim Fubra, and while there is a decline in political activities on the part of Wike, Rivers State was fast enjoying peace. Wike had just decided to create this problem so that he will be the beneficiaries. Perhaps let him not forget, the man he said resurrected him, he deceived him. Towards the end of Odili's tenure as governor of Rivers State, he called for a meeting to ask Wike opinion on how he can end the political crisis between Amechi and Celestin. And Wike told Odili, I was there and I know it, that they have spent almost 60 million naira, and that if the 60 million naira is given back to them, he believed the political crisis between Omeya and Amechi will come to an end. And Odili, knowing who he is and how generous he is, instead of giving him 60 million, gave him 100 million at the swimming pool in old government house. Gave him 100 million naira. Wike took that 100 million naira and vanished. Rather used that money to create more problem in Rivers State. And so I laughed the day he was saying that he sold his property to finance Amechi's legal struggle. Where did he have that money? 100 million naira of 207 is over 500 million naira today, or even up to $1 billion naira.